Hello, my friend Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and I am proud to announce to you that the Stamps of Life has their own Stamper secret weapon. What is a secret weapon? I'm glad you asked. Now, remember back in the old, well, first of all, how many of you have stamped an image and it looks like that when you stamp it? It doesn't look nice, it looks all messed up, and you're like, what the heck? How would you like your images to look like that? Okay, well, let me tell you, you need the Stamper secret weapon. Why? Remember back in the olden days when we used wooden stamps? We had a wood block, a thin piece of gray rubber, gray foam, pink rubber or red rubber, and then our hard table. We had a hard block, hard table, gray foam, and pink rubber. So hard, soft, soft, hard, right? Well, when we do clear stamps, we have our hard block, just like the wood block. We don't have that gray foam, and then we have our stamp image. And then we have our hard table. And you're gonna get, when you do that, especially on bigger stamps, something that looks like this. Because you don't have that other squishy gray foam in there. So we've reintroduced that foam into this secret weapon. So when you ink your stamps, you're going to ink your stamp, you're going to stamp just right on this mat, and now you have the two squishy items, this and this stamp, that's going to get you direct pressure. It's a physics thing. In order for that stamp to perfectly touch your cardstock, you need to have another squishy item so it can make direct contact. It's really crazy in physics and all that kind of stuff. Just know you're going to get better images, and that's all that matters, right? Boom, done, and now it looks great. So go check out the Stamper secret weapon. It's awesome. I'm very proud of it. I've been using this kind of item for over 15 years when cling mount stamps first came out. So go check it out. I love it, and you're gonna love it too. I'll see you at the website, thestampsoflife.com. Bye-bye.